In this question, we are supposed to find the sum of all positive terms in the sequence. We first observe that this is an AP with common difference 20. We can check from 2036 to 2016 we subtract 20, and from 2016 to 1996 we subtract 20, and so on. So that means the given sequence is an AP with first term 2036, and the common difference is minus 20. And we want to find the sum of all the positive terms in the sequence. Since the sequence is decreasing, we must find out all the positive terms. So we should consider when an is positive to find out the last positive term of the sequence. The formula for an is an equal to a plus n minus 1d. So we need to consider an positive. So we consider a plus n minus 1d positive. A is 2036. So we consider 2036 plus n minus 1d. D is minus 20 more than 0. So this should give you 2036 minus 20n plus 20 more than 0. So 20n, we can move around. So 20n is less than 2056. So with that, we need n. So with that, we need n less than 2056 over 20. This works out to be 102.8. So which means n must be less than equal to 102. So the last positive term of the sequence will be a 102. Since we need to find the sum of all the positive terms, so we should be looking at S 102. So we need to find S 102. The formula for Sn is n over 2a plus n minus 1d. A is 2036, d is minus 20. And A is 2036, d is minus 20. So then you can just sub it inside. So the answer is 102. So it's 2 over 2 times 2036 plus 102 minus 1d. D is minus 20. So you can work this out. It will give you 104,652. So which means the sum of all the positive terms of this sequence, the final answer should be 104,652.